Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to jump spots in Valorant. So basically how to jump a spot, so how you can jump and spot someone in Valorant. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. So first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and launch your Riot Games and then log into your Valorant account. Now launch the game and go to play, and I highly suggest to choose any map that you would like to play and then go and click on start. Of course, make the gameplay to deathmatch. So let's go start and start the game. Don't invite anyone because you will just be learning how to jump spots in Valorant at the moment. So basically now what I'm going to do is pick my champion or my agent. So let's do that real quick. So here we go. I'm going to pick Jet. So, or I mean, they give me Chamber, which is pretty decent. So let me just wait the timer until it's done. So this 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2, and 1. So here we go. Yeah. Now let me just show you how we can do it. First of all, let's go here to find the spot that we are going to jump and use it. So here we go. Or let me just go there. So let me just go there. Here we go. As you can see, here we go. I am here. So how we can actually jump spot someone from this area? Well, basically guys, if you try to go like this and like against pro players, like 90%, 99% you will be one tapped, like literally one tapped if you did something like that. But unless you were peeking already and you killed someone with one tap, if you were hiding, you will get one tap if you showed like that or picked like that. So how we can use the jump spot technique in a way to actually see people and spot them without getting one tapped in your body. So as you'll see in pro plays, or most of us, like if you watch pro plays, you will notice that every single pro player is actually doing this technique. So basically what he's doing, so first of all, he's if he's holding gun, he switches to his knife, and then he go next to the wall that or next to the spot that he wanted to spot it, and basically what he does is go look in here. For example, if I'm going to jump here, I'm going to look in the reverse spot, and basically I'm just going to do this, and basically what it does is it shows the enemies not in your game itself, because you come on guys, you can't see them in like where you can while you are doing this, but as you can see in the map, wait, let me just show you. You can see this white thing. This white thing is the view range of your, like, if your agents. So when you do something like that, your view range is actually going to see this place, and even though you are not seeing it in your screen or your monitor, but it is actually like viewable in your map. So basically what you have to do is do not look in the screen itself, but hold your knife, and then go stick to the wall, jump, and then make your eyes into the map. So don't look in the screen itself, but look into the map to see if there is anyone in there. So yeah guys, that's how you can use the jump spots technique in Valorant. I hope you learned something. If you have any other questions, please leave them down below in the comment section, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.